1, 2, 3, 4 Maybe got me looking so crazy 비춰버리는 daydream.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin and in today's video is going to be this Douyin jelly makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look and get ready with me, just keep on watching. Alrighty, before we start the video on how to do this look, basically, I wanted to say thank you to Moody Lenses for sending me some contact lenses to try out. If you know me, I love makeup, and as much as I love makeup, I also love colored contacts. I feel like colored contacts add such a different vibe to the makeup look that you're trying to do. I have a couple of lenses that I've been really loving, and I've been wearing them out, you know, on other days and other occasions. So the lenses that I'm wearing for today's look is actually a part of their Teenage Daydream collection, which I think by far might be my absolute favorite series that they've done. The lenses are very natural, yet it adds enough to where you can tell that there's definitely a difference in your eyes. So the ones that I'm wearing are Misty Roses, and it's like this pinky brown color, and it's perfect for today's look because today's look is basically like a pinky brown look. Another one that I really enjoy is the Teenage Daydream in Cocoa Gleam, and these have been pretty much my daily lenses if I'm wearing a light brown lens. These are the daily ones. Moody does provide some monthly lenses as well. I have some right here that I'm going to show on screen. This one is Night of the Aquarium in the shade Vacation Starfish. And then this monthly one right here as well is also a part of their Night at the Aquarium in Floating Bubbles. I've also really been into blue contacts. I don't wear blue as often, but because of the Teenage Daydream series, I've been able to wear blue a little bit more because of the fact that it's natural looking and it kind of blends in if you have naturally dark eyes like I do. With that being said, if you like any of the lenses that I showed on screen and you want to match with me, you can go ahead onto moodylenses.com, buy yourself a pair, use code DDANG20 for 20% off of your purchase. Thank you again to Moody Lenses for sending me over some lenses to try out. And on that note, let's move on to the makeup look for today. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen. Now taking my favorite serum, I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Watermelon Dewdrops. For foundation, it's just going to be the same NARS Light Reflecting foundation that I used in my last makeup video. And I'm still continuing blending out my foundation with a cushion puff. So, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video, which was, I think, the part 2 to my Korea trip at the time. And I know it was a super short video, but I don't know, I still wanted to like put it out. I definitely really lived in the moment in that video, and I wasn't really focused on filming, which I think I'm also just not the type of person to really vlog. I kind of came to that realization that like, I think vlogging might not be for me. Am I gonna stop filming vlogs? I don't know yet, but for right now, I kind of want to take a break because I think my daily makeup video, when I filmed that before I released the part 2 of my Korea vlog, that was the first makeup video that I had ever filmed in like a while. So like when I was filming that video, I think that's when it kind of like hit me of how much I miss filming makeup videos, and I feel like that just obviously kind of just made me more happy filming makeup videos again. And I kind of want to focus that more for this year at least. I kind of fell in love with makeup because of it, and I don't know, I feel like 2022 was just, I wasn't really makeup based, obviously because of like my skin condition, and then I feel like makeup just wasn't as fun, and so I kind of stopped with the makeup videos, but doing that updated like daily makeup routine video, I fell back in love with just filming makeup videos, hence I'm doing another one. Next, going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm just going to apply it to my inner corners and my outer corner. So now after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. But y'all, literally dealing with dry skin has been a whole other level. It's actually kind of crazy while on treadmill, and some days it's good, some days it's like really bad and my makeup starts flaking or peeling even if it's really hydrated. But I don't know, I just have to find the routine that works best for me, I guess. And then for the rest of the areas of my face, I still go in with a brush. But I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying these makeup videos, but also, are you guys enjoying them as like the sit down, chit chat, get ready with me? Because I feel like when I'm talking to the camera, I'm able to kind of update you guys a little more and not really have to focus on so much of the makeup. Or did you guys like enjoy like the tutorials of like me going in depth with the makeup? Let me know so I know what to do. Because don't get me wrong, I really, like I said, I like filming these get ready with me videos. However, in a Vietnamese household, I have to film them at literally ungodly hours. So right now it's currently 5:22 a.m. for me, because that's when my house is most quiet, where I can film talking videos straight to the camera. If it's a voiceover, I don't have to film like at ungodly hours because I'm doing a voiceover, I'm muting the clips anyways. But when it's me talking directly to the camera, I actually have to wait for the house to be quiet enough for me to film and talk to you guys directly without any background noise. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my contour powder. With the lightest shade, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Okay, and then mixing the two shades together, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my jaw. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to eyes. Okay, so for jelly makeup, it kind of focuses on like more pinky brown based makeup and light shimmer. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I know this look was really popular at one point on Douyin and Xiaohongshu. If I'm pronouncing that right, that's like Chinese Instagram. And I really want to try it, play around with it. And so I already did one eye off camera. And I'm basically just doing my makeup techniques, but just in that colorway. I'm gonna go ahead with a dense brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set the concealer on my eye, and then also start building like a base. Okay, and then going in with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take a really light pink and just start tapping it in, and then also feathering it out in a upwards motion. And it also doesn't have to be really pigmented. The jelly look, it kind of is more like a tint of pink, kind of like if you were like really up close you can tell, but other than that you don't have to be like bam pink. And then also I'm just gonna go ahead and take the color on the lower lash line as well. A shorter fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in with a darker pink, and then I'm just gonna apply that on the outer lid area, and then also bringing it down to the lower lash line as well. Okay, so taking the darker shade in the palette, I'm going in with my like flat end pointer brush, and then I'm just gonna do the lower wing thing that I do. Now taking the second shade and a light brown shade, I'm gonna mix the two together and then draw in my ʔSocials. And so for this look, the glitter isn't really like bright like how Douyin glitters are. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a light shimmer in the palette that I'm using. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's a really nice daily glitter. It's not really like bright and out there. I'm gonna go ahead with my finger and I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it onto the lid. And then honestly, just really focus it on the center. I recently retired my e.l.f. No Budge gel liner for the Clio Extreme Gel Presso pencil liner, and so far I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and water my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. Okay, so for blush, I'm going in with a true cool tone blush that goes with the look. This one's the Flower Nose Strawberry Rococo blush in the shade 02, and this one's just a really true, like, milky, cool toned blush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my cheeks and my nose. Okay, so for lips, I'm kind of really excited because I've been doing something very different from what I normally do. So for lip liner, you guys know that I would use the Peekaboo Neutral or the natural lip liner, but I realize a lot of the Douyin girls have very light lips and I don't have that. So what I've been doing is I've been taking another shade of the NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Pale Pink, and I line my lips like normal, but then afterwards I go in with Peekaboo Neutral and I kind of just outline the areas that I want more emphasized before applying the lip colors. Alright, so then after doing the base, I'm gonna go in with the darker lip liner, the Peekaboo Neutral, and then I'm just gonna literally underline right here, the top area, the corners. And after that, I go in with my finger and I kind of just blend it all together. For the lip color, however, I'm kind of just gonna focus it on the center and then just kind of blending it out. Alrighty, and then I've really been liking glossy lips, and it just happens that jelly makeup also has glossy lips. So I'm gonna go in with Clio's new Crystal Glam Tint. Yeah, so this is in the shade 06 Daily Mauve. I'm just gonna apply that onto the center of my lip and then bringing it kind of towards the bottom as well. And I don't really apply it on the top as much, kind of just focusing it on the inner portions of my lip again. And for the last step, I'm just going to go in with my powder foundation and then just do the inner corners. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Thank you again to Moody Lenses for sending over the lenses I wore in the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at ʔSocials. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.